everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an image to a collection in Shopify. This is a great way to make your collections more visually appealing, help customers navigate your store, and showcase your products in a professional way. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, take a look at the sidebar on the left and click on Products, then select Collections. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing collections. Find the collection you want to add an image to and click on it. This will open the settings page specifically for that collection. Next, scroll down to the collection image section. You'll notice an option to upload an image. Shopify recommends using an image that is 800 by 800 pixels for the best quality. This ensures your collection looks crisp and professional on both desktop and mobile devices. You can either drag and drop your image directly into the upload area or click the field to browse your computer for an image. If you'd like to create a custom image that fits your brand perfectly, you can use a tool like Canva. Simply go to Canva, log in, and click on Create a Design. Choose custom size and set the dimensions to 800 by 800 pixels. Then you can use Canva's image library or upload your own photos to design an image that matches your collection's theme. Resize and adjust everything until it looks just right. Then click Download. A PNG file works best. Once your image is ready, go back to Shopify and drag the downloaded image into the upload area for the collection. After it uploads, make sure to click Save at the top or bottom of the page. This will apply the image to your collection so it's now visible to your store visitors. And that's it. Your collection now has a beautiful, eye-catching image that helps showcase your products and makes your store look more professional. Adding images to your collections is a small step that can make a big difference in how your customers perceive your store. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below with any other Shopify tips or questions you want me to cover. See you in the next video. Happy selling!